Ready to unlock the power of combining text in Qlik Sense and create dynamic insights from your data? Let's start by opening up the Qlik Sense script editor you can access by clicking on the Edit Script button. We'll create a new script section for this example. Imagine we have a table with separate first name and last name fields, and we want to create a full name field. Qlik Sense provides a few ways to achieve this. The most common is using the plus operator. Within your load statement, create your new field, full name. Using first name plus last name, the space between the single quotes ensures there's a space separating the names. Alternatively, you can use the AND operator. In this case, the expression will be full name. Using first name and last name, both operators work similarly, so choose the one you find most readable. After reloading your data, you'll see the new full name field in your table, containing the combined first and last names. You can extend this technique to combine more than two strings or even incorporate functions like upper or lower to format the text. For example, upper first name and last name would display the first name in uppercase. Explore Qlik Sense's built-in string functions in the help documentation for even more advanced text manipulation. That's it. You now know how to combine strings in Qlik Sense to create composite fields for better data readability and analysis. Have fun exploring this capability.